Hey guys, we're back again and live at 626. This time battling for Mark's Hoth solo. There he is. I got 20 spots on this one as well, just like that Dengar battle from a minute ago. I'm going to copy those spots and take them over to random to find our winner here as well. 1 through 20. I'm going to roll those dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 9. So we're great shape here, guys. Good luck. Todd, round 1. Eric, 2. Matt Johnson in top for round 3. Todd round 4. CJ takes round 5. Steve 6. Eric takes round 7 again. Steve takes round 8, which means our winner is CJ Hutchinson in at number 18. Congratulations, CJ. Here's the official results. BUP JBH. CJ in at number 18 is the victor. And I am done. It's 627. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, CJ. See you next time, guys. Thank you.